How to change your Shopify store time zone in Shopify admin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Shopify store time zone. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the setting in the bottom left corner here. You can click on it, and then you will be in the general page. So if you scroll down, you will find store defaults, and it will also contains a time zone here. So basically you can choose the time zone you want. So you can find the city, and then you can just select it. So let's say I want to change it to Bangkok maybe, and then after that the time zone will be changed, and then you can just click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.